So I went to the junkyard today to go find that extra PPF bolt, and I got that, but I also found a new set of headlights. And I have some helpers that are gonna help me put it in. So Jack and Oliver are gonna wrench with me today, and we're gonna replace these headlights. Say hi, guys.
Hi.
Okay, guys. So first things first, we're gonna take out these screws, okay?
Okay.
So let's make sure we have 1, 2, 3 of them. We're missing the 4th one, but that's okay. Okay. So we just gotta make sure that we keep track of where these screws go, okay? So Ollie, come on over here. I'll let you do the first one. Hold it. Come over here. Okay. Pull it right here. And put it right here. Okay, now pull the trigger. Keep going. Okay, Jack, your turn. Okay. Hold this. Hold it with this hand. There you go. You get the trigger? Okay, but don't pull it yet. Okay, pull that trigger.
It's too hard. You did it.
There you go. Okay, Alec. Get this one.
Got it.
Can you do that one on your own?
You're sweaty, Dad. Turn it off.
Okay, hop up.
Okay.
Okay. So we gotta keep track of all of these. That's 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 5.
I dropped one.
7, 8, 9, 4, 7.
Go.
6 more girls, Dad. 6 more.
Okay, go ahead and open that up. There you go.
And
Put this right here.
Oh.
Put that down right there. Okay. Jack, you're gonna pull the trigger here.
I shouldn't.
Go ahead, pull. Yep. Good.
You did it first. And now, don't try me.
So we get this guy.
What I was doing it first.
Just give it a little persuasion. There we go.
I got a cutter.
Yeah, you got a cutter.
Yeah, but so much I am going to do it.
Okay.
Next time, do this.
There you go.
Hey, why I didn't do
Got
it?
it. All right, hand me the other headlight.
Okay.
It's over here, buddy.
Huh?
This one.
Right. Mommy cut it. So I just go cut the tune off.
Thank you, buddy.
You're going to light it. And don't you need to powder that? Because look the light. It's not on.
Oh.
It shows that here. Hey Jack, the camera can see you.
Here, guys. Let me show you.
No, I could do. Hello camera. Are you having a good day? That's good. I know you can see me. Can you see me, fam?
Back in.
Hey.
Oh, you do. Get this one. Okay, you can get this guy. Go ahead. Keep going. Squeeze it all the way. Oh, good. Come here, dude. Come help me screw this back in. Go ahead and grab this one. Okay. And just until it gets flat. That's all you need. Okay. You come be straight with it. Yeah.
Be like that.
Go ahead. There you go. Perfect. Okay, you need to go get the other screw. Up. Okay, get it. Okay. Go ahead. Perfect. Okay, last one.
Last one.
Ollie? No?
This hurt.
Okay. And let you line that one up on the other.
I'll be in the front.
That needs to be like this.
I'll be in the front to
There you go.
this, okay?
One more.
This time.
Perfect. Very good. Okay, go try that on. Okay, go see if they'll close, alright? Okay, do it again. Cool. Good job, guys. Okay, open them again. Leave them open for me. Okay, now hop out.